I have my Jetwood JC14EP out here. This thing's an absolute rocket. 47 to 48 miles an hour on the stock battery, 53 on a higher performance LiPo. But the problem with this truck historically is the track is too narrow and it tips over way too easily. It's a problem that plagues the MJX trucks as well. My understanding is they're almost identical to this. So I just installed some 12 millimeter extenders here for the hexes. They're 15 millimeter extenders. I didn't want to go too big, and I'm going to give it a quick shakedown run here and see if it's more stable. Before, anytime I got up, say 20 plus miles an hour or so and would turn, it would just flip on pavement, off-road. It was just a mess. So I'm going to see if this added width, the stance is wider, the track is wider, if it makes a noticeable improvement, and if it does, this is just going to be so much more enjoyable to drive now. All right, let's see how this performs. Right away, noticeable difference. Look at that, it's drifting. Before it would have just tipped over. Now I've no doubt it will still flip, but so much better. You can get these Sharegoo extenders. They sent them out for my channel. They're I think the best rated ones out there on Amazon. And for, I got my camera crooked, I apologize. And for $10, you can't go wrong. I have a video on installing them. You do have to drill out the center holes in the wheels because they're a little too small to fit these adapters. These are, I guess, designed for standard 10th scale cars. Oh, look at that, perfect. Why didn't this truck come this way from the factory? Such an easy, cheap modification. I was gonna do a comparison video. I am gonna do a comparison video between this and my HVX 2997A. Another awesome budget truck, similar price, but my nod was definitely going to the HVX because this thing was an absolute mess, the handling was. But now, it doesn't roll over anytime you think about making a corner. So not the best place to run it. I was running my HVX out here doing speed runs and I just wrecked it at 65 miles an hour. But oh, this thing's a little rocket and a lot more stable now. So if you have one of these, be it the MJX or this one here, you definitely need to pick up some new adapters that have an extension to them. And these Sharegoo ones seem to be exactly what's needed. So much power. This is on the stock Li-ion battery. It's not even a LiPo. There we go. I can't GPS it right now because I just smashed my GPS right into a speed limit sign at 65, probably over 65 miles an hour. I'll never know. But there we go. The Jetwood JC14EP. And the only modification to it is those 15 millimeter hex extensions. Stock battery. There we go. Jetwood. Check this truck out. It's a lot of fun. For I think it usually goes around $180, and if you throw in that $10 set of adapters, you're still under 200 bucks, and you have what's now a really fun truck.